back to Mirror and Thread. I have something a little different planned for you today because I went into j.crew Factory, which is like the outlet for j.crew recently, and I actually shop in here quite a bit, and I don't know if I've ever done a full haul for them, so I wanted to show you everything I tried on because they have some amazing, cute holiday options, and also they run insane deals on all of their stuff. The first thing I tried on was this sweatshirt with some really fun detailing. They have such good quality items. This one is very, very soft, and you can tell it's just a thicker quality that's going to last a long time. So this is like kind of a cream oatmeal color, and then it's got the fun buttons down the side right here with plaid on the inside. So this one's got black plaid. They also have this in a bright red and then like the holiday plaid on the inside, which I think is so cute for holiday. This runs pretty big. I'm actually in the small in this one. I feel like I had plenty of room to tuck and untuck with this one. And like I said, it comes in the red and then a couple of other color options too. This might be my favorite look of the day, and this would be a great option for workwear. This would be a great option for a Thanksgiving outfit. You could even throw this on with a pair of leggings. It does come down and cover the booty and the cardigan, so you could throw this on with leggings and boots and it'd be perfect for a Thanksgiving outfit. But the shirt is just a simple plaid flannel, but again, j.crew does their quality just impeccably. So soft. It's like a nice thick quality. This is gonna last years and it does not go out of style, and they do have other color options as well. I'm in the medium in the shirt, and they didn't have a small in store in this color. I feel like I probably could have used this small, though it runs pretty big. And then I'm in the small in the cardigan, and this is an absolute must-have for me in fall, winter, even spring. Honestly, I feel like you could wear this one a ton. This is great for workwear, super good layering piece. It's a really nice, soft, thick quality as well. And I love, love, love this color, but they do have some other colors too. This coat, oh my goodness, this was the first thing that I saw when I walked in the store, and I was like, I have got to try that on. It is gorgeous. And they had this really pretty green scarf over it, which I actually tried on a little bit later, so I'll show you that as well. But I think if you want to do quality outerwear, j.crew Factory is a great place to go, because if you don't know, j.crew and Madewell are like the same company, or they're like sister companies, kind of like Gap and Old Navy are. Their quality is so, so good, but anything that you buy at regular j.crew or at Madewell is going to cost you a pretty penny. So this is a really good opportunity to get that same quality for already at a lower ticketed price, and then they always have their stuff on sale. So I think when I was in there, everything is either 40 to 70% off. So really good deals on these things. But this is like a pea coat. The structure of it is gorgeous. The shape is gorgeous. It's got the little like waist cinching here. It kind of flares out the bottom. And I love the gold buttons. It looks so expensive, so pretty on. And this is a very heavyweight, thick, nice quality coat. And I am in the 4 in this one. Here is the green scarf that I was talking about, and if you watched my capsule wardrobe video, I have this exact one in black and brown and white plaid that I wear a ton during the fall season. I think the green is really fun for coming into holiday, and they also do have this in the classic red plaids as well. I personally like a hunter green or like a forest green for holiday. It's just a little bit unexpected. So I paired that with this sweater dress. And this, I say on the whole, j.crew Factory tends to run on the bigger side. So for reference, I'm usually somewhere between a small and a medium, somewhere between a size 4 and a size 6. I have the medium on in this dress, and it looks a little bit big on. I wish I would have grabbed the small. So I would say size down if you're between sizes, pretty much on the whole at this place. But I think that these scarves are on a really good deal right now, and these would make great options for gifts. If you're doing some early gift shopping, these are good teacher gifts, coworkers, boss, friends, moms, anything like that. I like to just even grab some of these and have on hand for those things that I might forget that I need to get a gift for, or a gift exchange or something. These make great options for that. I also tried on a lot of traditional holiday things for you, and I feel like this has been one of my go-to places for holiday outfits forever. You can get matching outfits for the entire family. They have women's, men's, boys and girls, and I think the boys and girls start at 2T sizing and then go all the way up. But they have like matching plaid for everything. So this is a really cute matching plaid tartan dress. Love the little ruffle sleeve. I love that this is a midi dress. This one actually has pockets on both sides. Really cute to do with a heel or a pump or a booty if you're doing like holiday get together where you want to be a little bit more dressed up for church, Christmas Eve service. This is a great option for that. This would also work really well for workwear too. You could throw like a long sleeve turtleneck underneath, layer something over the top, super simple and easy. And this is one that you can grab year after year after year for the holidays. And I'm in the 4 in this one. This is another plaid holiday dress. Little bit different. This is not necessarily your traditional plaid, holiday plaid, like with the red. This one's a navy, and I actually bought this one and brought it home, and this is what I'm planning to wear for family photos this year. So we're doing holiday themed family photos. I got Owen the cutest little navy cardigan. I'll actually link these for you because I'm so obsessed with the kids' outfits. In London, a cute little like white with bows on it. And so I wanted something just simple for myself. So I snagged this navy and red dress, and I think it fits so cute. I'm gonna do it with a tall boot. I know with these try on videos, I don't get to style them all the way out as easily, but I'm gonna do it with a tall boot and a brown like teddy coat. So pretty, so classic, and I have the 4 in this one as well. This one's kind of a mashup between Thanksgiving outfit versus holiday New Year's outfit because I feel like you could wear these for either one. So the skirt is a suede skirt, faux suede skirt, and it is so soft. It fits so well. It's really, really flattering. They have this exact same fit and length and everything in a faux leather too, which also makes a great holiday option. So I'll link that one for you too. I love a mini skirt this time of year, but I like that j.crew does them so tastefully. They are not too short. I feel like they're not skin tight. They have some structure to them. These are very appropriate for workwear, depending on what you do, obviously. But they are appropriate for parties. They're appropriate if you have young kids. I just think they do these so well. So I'm in the 6 in the skirt, and then this little sweater is super fun. It says cheers. It's like got glittery writing. They do have these in plain red. They've got some plaids, and they've got some other plain colors too. It's just a good classic crew neck sweater and a small on in that. Really fun vegan leather dress. This is such a good one to have on hand for the holiday season. I feel like you can do so much with these. You could even make this work for fall as well, and you can even make this work for workwear, I think. So many different ways to style this. If I was doing this for a party, I would do a really fun shoe with this one. I have some fun shoes to show you that j.crew has right now that are kind of holiday themed, but they have some like plaid ones. They have some velvet shoes, the ones with the little like jeweled buckles on them. So much fun, and since the silhouette is so simple, you can do a really fun shoe and then just throw over like a bigger kind of faux fur coat or something. I think would be really, really fun with this one. So love the length on this too, fits great, and I'm in the 4 in this one. Here's 2 incredibly versatile pieces that you can make work for a holiday outfit, you can make work for workwear, and you could even dress them down, do them with jeans, do the pants with just like a sweatshirt and sneakers as well. So I actually came home with this little top too. I think it's so cute, little polka dot ruffle on the sleeve, just adorable, and I can think of so many different ways to style this. I'm gonna do this for a holiday with a pair of jeans or like a faux leather skirt and a cute little gold belt and some fun shoes. Again, with doing just plain black, I feel like you can really make the accessory something fun and special. I have the medium in this shirt. I could have probably done the small in this, but I wanted a little, this one fits a little bit tighter to the body and I wanted a little bit of extra room. And then the pants, I am wearing the 6 in these, and they're actually a pull-on pant, elastic waist, super comfortable, but they look really chic and nice on, so these would be a really good workwear pant. This is the last of the holiday outfits, and then I absolutely have to show you some of the accessories. If you buy nothing else from this video, get yourself one of these cute headbands or cute pairs of shoes, and you will not regret it for the holidays. But back to this outfit, another one of the little mini skirts, but I feel like they're not super short skirts. This is in the classic red plaid. They do have this in the window pane pattern, the tan and cream that I was wearing with that first shirt. They have that in the skirt, so that would make a really cute Thanksgiving outfit. They have this in a green plaid, like the scarf that I showed, and some plain colors as well. I'm in the 6 in this one. Okay, y'all, I just about passed out with these velvet platform heels. Oh my goodness, they didn't have my size in the store. These are in an online cart for me, and I am ordering them ASAP because they are so stinking cute. I think these would be adorable with that like black vegan leather dress that I showed, or the simple shirt and pants. How cute would these be for holiday? I just think they're so fun, and they do come in black as well. And then I also saw these really, really fun plaid mules. Again, this would be great for just throwing on with like even just a simple black sweater and jeans, but throw these on and you're so festive and so fun. The bow on them is perfectly placed. They're really comfortable. I wore them around in there for a little bit, and I think they are just so stinking cute on. They also had tons of headbands that are so festive and cute. This is a red one. They also have plaid. They had gold. They had black with gold polka dots, little jeweled ones, like pearl ones. I love the idea of just doing something like that and then just using what you already have in your closet for holiday. If you want to do something for New Year's, or if you have a Christmas party to go to, really all you need is a little headband, and then you look festive, and you didn't even have to go and buy a whole dress or pants or anything like that. So really fun. These also make great gift options, and they have some cute options for little girls too. And that's a wrap on my festive holiday finds from j.crew Factory. Everything is linked in the video description. Let me know if you had a fave, and I'll see you next time.